My don't finesse it in Sweden. Sweden. Us man are down in the DM. Down in the DMs. My don't finesse it in Sweden.
Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to make a quick update video on my trip to Stockholm, Sweden. So the point of this trip was to see some friends, get away from London, sneakers and stuff like that. See what I did there? So yeah, I didn't bring my camera, I didn't really do much vlogging, but I just wanted to get this video out there just to show you bits and bobs from my trip. Hey guys, so I am in Stockholm and I'm with Matilda, who's being shy. Here's Matilda, my tour guide. The way your hair is like, you're like trying to be cute, the hair is like, yep. Funny thing, I actually missed my flight last night. I had to book a new one, so yeah. Yes, I missed my flight. Took an L, but as this is a sneaker channel, I actually managed to get a raffle win at SneakersNStuff in Stockholm. So I'm actually going to go later on, check out the store, see how it is, as well as pick up the shoes. So catch you guys later.
What are you going to do at SneakersNStuff?
Pick up some Jordans. I won a raffle.
Really?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh.
So yeah, we headed to the store and I noticed a very minimal industrial look to it. I did like the Air Max doorknob, which was a nice touch. The store was well laid out. It had some couches to chill and it had like all the brands separated with Nike and Adidas on one side, as well as the other section had like a ladies section with more couches to chill and wait while your friends are trying on some shoes. Like the London store, it has some clothing as well, so they had a lot of like tracksuit bottoms, hoodies from the SneakersNStuff brand, as well as some Nike Adidas tops as well. So I did manage to pick up the Jordan 4 Breads, aka Black Cements, and it's a great retro. It takes a lot of references to the OG with the Nike Air at the back, as well as the Durabug upper, which is synthetic but feels somewhat premium. It's okay. The paint job and construction was quite good actually. There was no glue stains or anything crazy on my pair. The Jordan 4 isn't the most comfortable shoe, but it has that classic retro look, so I'm sure a lot of you guys managed to pick them up. My only critique of the shoe was I felt like the Nike Air at the heel was a little bit off-centered, a bit left leaning, but apart from that, it's a very good shoe. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to pick them up. So later that day, we hung out, went for dinner, and the next day I did some more touristy stuff, and we actually managed to play squash. And let's just say... They beat me. I lost. I think this was my only highlight of the whole game. Like, they literally... But yeah, that loss really motivated me to get back into running every morning and being a bit healthier because, as you can see, my performance was shocking. Fitness levels, 0. But ladies, if you're watching this, Matilda, Emma, please go easy next time. But all jokes aside, this trip really reminded me that there is more to life than shoes. I feel like, I know I'm a sneaker channel and it's a bit contradicting. I feel like after this trip, it kind of changed my perspective, especially seeing the way the people in Stockholm and the Swedish people dress. Maybe I'm just getting a little bit older, but I feel like I'm less interested in hype and I'm more interested in footwear as in the more low-key stuff. So yeah, that's my mindset right now. I'm happy to get the break, but I'm back, so expect more videos on the way, more brands, more fun, I hope. And before I go, I want to make a massive shout out to the ladies, Dipti, Matilda, Emma, for hosting me in my weekend trip to Sweden. It wouldn't be as amazing as it was without you, if you're watching. Let me know where you guys are off on holiday. I think it's very important to travel or at least take time for yourself. So let me know what you're doing this summer. I would try and do some more stuff maybe around the UK, maybe do some outlet shopping around town. Let me know if you want to see some of that kind of videos in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment Stockholm to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. As usual, all other links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.